Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV17. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Losing suction and making odd noises is a common issue with the Dyson SV17. This typically occurs due to a worn motor, a faulty ring, or a damaged rail. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further damage, making your vacuum cleaner inefficient and possibly resulting in more costly repairs down the line. To fix this problem, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement motor, a new ring, a replacement rail, and some adhesive if necessary. First, ensure your Dyson SV17 is unplugged and place it on a clean, flat surface. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws on the back panel. Make sure to keep them in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the back panel is off, locate the motor, which is situated near the base of the device. Inspect it for any visible signs of wear or damage. If the motor appears to be the issue, carefully disconnect the wires attached to it. Remember to note where each wire connects to make reassembly easier later. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, you will need to remove the faulty motor by unscrewing it from its mount. Be cautious not to apply too much force, gently wiggle it out to avoid damaging surrounding components. Once you've replaced the motor with the new one, reattach the wires according to your earlier notes. Now, let's address the ring and rail. If these components were damaged and need replacement, gently pry them off, taking care not to disturb any nearby parts. Install the new ring and rail by aligning them properly and pressing them into place. After ensuring everything is securely fitted, replace the back panel and screw it back into position. Double-check that all screws are tightened adequately, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could crack the casing. Finally, plug your Dyson SV17 back in and test it to ensure it's running smoothly without any strange noises or loss of suction. If everything sounds good, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's a good idea to regularly clean the filters and check for blockages in the hose. Additionally, avoid vacuuming up large debris that could damage the motor. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.